Hi everyone, it's Kimm Brown, and today we are going to go through the perfect concealer and our perfect under-eye corrector. So stay tuned, be right back. Alright, so we're back. So today we are going to go through two really important products. One, for many of us that maybe get a little bit of blueness down here, which kind of gives us that appearance of dark circles. So we're going to use our under-eye corrector. It is perfect for that, and I'll tell you all that in a little bit. And we are also going to use our concealer, our perfect concealer. Now, these two items can be used together. They can be used one over top of the other. They each have a different role. So, as you can see, my face has the foundation primer already on, and I am ready to get started. So this can actually be used over top of your foundation, without a foundation, under a powder foundation, which I'm going to show you in a little bit also. So here's how we do this, okay? As you can see, this is a peach color. This is going to help take away that bluish purple color that you get when you have dark circles under your eyes. It's going to help you go from being tired to wide awake. So it will also help deliver a very fresh under eye look, and it will help brighten it. So here we go. I am just going to tap 3. Now you'll see that I don't really have that much blueness under there, but if I were, I take my sponge. Now remember, I have my moisturizer on, I have my eye cream on. So without that, you will notice that it doesn't glide as smoothly. And I always pat. I can't do it with that hand. Now the other thing you'll notice is I have a lot of red spots, right? Some of them are freckles, some of them are sunspots. So there you go. If you find you have a little blueness right here, just go ahead and use whatever is left on your sponge. And these are my classic. They are a limited edition, but they came out at Christmas time, and they're a little packet of 4 sponges, and they are perfect for in these little places. All right, so see, that just takes it right away. I like it very light. I like it just so I don't feel it much. It's perfect. Okay, so I'm going to put that one away. That is my first one. All right, ladies, so now we are going to correct, conceal, and perfect. And we're going to do that with your matching color of your concealer. So whatever your foundation is, and if you're not sure, DM me and we will find your perfect match for whichever foundation you use of ours. We have 5 different flavors, and each one of them, this will match perfectly, okay? I always go with a very close but a little bit lighter than what than my foundation, because that is what they suggest. So our concealer, what exactly will this do? Okay, so this will help conceal blemishes, age spots, any kind of minor skin imperfections. Say you have like more of a red chin, or you have a little bit of redness. I get real red right up here when I get warm and hot, and I have a little bit of red on my nose, and sometimes that's just for my glasses, but I will notice that. So this will also, so what the concealer does is once you put it on, and then it will help blur, right, the appearance of those fine lines, and it will optically correct any imperfections. So like I said, it helps hide the redness, and it's creamy. It's also long-lasting coverage. All right, so this one too, we can dab this in a bunch of different places, but right now I'm going to specifically put it around my eyes. I'm going to pat that in, and then I'm going to go ahead and cover up some of my other ones. I always wear my eye primer when I use this on my eyes, and this helps just hide my fine lines. So first thing I will do, so here we go. We're just going to dot. That's how I do it. I'm just going to do one at a time first. And we're just going to pat that in. If you notice, I already did my eyebrows so that we got a look. And I will bring that right on down. Whatever I have, I use right here. It's very easy to get too much. Not to be confused with conceal or foundation. So a dot, 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 right? That is really what I do. And then you can go around and use the big side of this. Like I said, I have a lot of redness on my face. Seems to always show up more in the winter than on the summer. Probably because I start getting a little tanner. So this will help tremendously. I like my freckles, so, you know, I don't really go much for, see, I get this little redness right here around my nose. All right, so that is our concealer and perfector. So I'm going to put that away. So if you would like more information for this, definitely comment below. I would love to either meet with you virtually, or we just have a nice little video chat and we'll find out what your perfect color is. Be very surprised. Our foundations and such are just amazing. How they cover, how that feels, and most of all, how light it is.